Hello everyone, it's Jim from MPX AUTOS. How are you today? In this video, we would like to share how to remove the factory radio from the MAZDA 3, and this one is MAZDA 3 2015, which is the generation 2014 and 2017. So you can see that it comes with the standard radio over here, and there's no fancy center console over here. So the tool to remove is very simple. You need 10mm socket tool and a plastic trim remover tool. You better get one or two of this. That's better. We use two of this one. So what we do is we remove the air vent and the east panel from the left to the right here. So we use the plastic remover to start from the left. So push it out and it comes out and then you slide on the top here and it comes out, and the bottom comes out and it slide out actually. There is all plastic clip at the back end. Only on the left side you feel harder because those one on the left side of the panel, they are metal clip, but in the middle section behind the air vent panel, it actually is all plastic clip. And make sure you unclip the hazard button connector here, which is the white connector over there. Okay, so unclip it and then you put this air vent panel outside. And now look at this, there's one 10mm bowl right at that position, you know, that right there underneath, and it is this one. Okay, so that is this one, and use the 10mm socket to remove it. From there you will be able to put your hands here and pull it toward the body, pull it like this toward the body, and then you will slide the radio out. Okay, so that's the way we remove the head unit radio from the MAZDA 3, and then you unplug some cable behind the radio. Then you can do other things. So in this case we actually are doing the upgrade for the head unit section, and yep, please stay tuned. We have another video soon for this one. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.